Hi, I'm Tricia, and this is Tricia's Kitchen. I've taught hundreds of kids how to bake from ages 3 to 18 on Outschool from all over the world, and I've had a great time doing it. I'm a parent. I work full time. Um, a lover of baking, of course, and I have a cottage bakery in my house. This is where I do all my baking for Tricia's Kitchen, and I do different events and farmers markets. And I've had a lot of fun doing it, a lot of fun teaching people how to bake, and a lot of fun sharing my baked goods with everybody. I believe that baked goods should not only look good, they should taste good. A lot of recipes you'll try in the online, they may look great, but they don't turn out great, or you can't follow the recipe, or what have you. If you try a recipe that I present to you, it looks great and it tastes great. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do these recipes. That's what this channel is all about. And this is for all ages, inexperienced and experienced bakers and cooks. If you're inexperienced, I'm going to show you step by step how to do a recipe, how to make great things, delicious things. And if you're experienced, you're going to learn some new recipes that you can add to your recipe book. So win-win for everybody. Also on this channel, I hope to show a little about my cottage bakery, show you some of the things I go through. Some are good, some are bad, but show you some insight into that. Maybe you're a cottage baker starting out, maybe you're looking for some tips and tricks. If you're a home baker or just someone who wants to learn how to bake and learn a few recipes, this is the place for you. So I'm really excited to get started. I have a couple of videos already up. You can check those out. And I'm going to be live Thursdays, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, showing a new recipe each week. Sometimes they'll be pre-recorded, but most of the time they'll be live, so you can follow those. So subscribe and like, and can't wait to bake with you. Bye.